Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health. Friends, my today's video is very creative because in this video I'm going to share a very beautiful, crazy, stylish, trendy, easy to make, simple, highly attractive design ideas of baby girl frocks. Yes friends, yes, you have heard me right. That from my today's video you are going to get the crazy, trendy and amazing ideas of hand embroidery, needle art, or you can say thread work, that how you can design your baby girl dresses with very beautiful, simple, easy to make and creative ideas of hand embroidery. Wait guys, the video is not only limited to this scope. You can also have very beautiful, amazing and trendy patterns of how you can design your baby girl dresses, how you can stitch your baby girl dresses, amazing and trendy patterns with the sleeveless shirts, tops, skirts, along with the bottom, along with short shirt, short skirt and panty, short frock or half quarter length frock, along with panties. Different type of stylized patterns of stitching along with a very beautiful blend of hand embroidery have been shown in this video. You can create all of these dresses by sitting at your home by just following these color combination and exact embroidery patterns of these. As you know that summer is near. For summer it is our demand that some more creative light colors, some cool colors, some funky colors of dresses must be suitable onto our baby girls, and at the same time with the stylish look of creativity, they must be easy to wear, they must be comfortable, they must be easy to hold on. So these creative patterns and these color combinations are absolutely for you. So who are in search of new and creative designs of hand embroidery, easy designs of hand embroidery, creative style outfits like pret style, like ready to wear style patterns of stitching ideas for their baby girl dresses, this video collection is absolutely for you. With this, allow me to leave, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care guys.